Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at a 6x10 single axle trailer. This has a 3,500 PSI at 8 gallon a minute pressure washer on here with the option to add a soft wash system. So up front we've got a 50 gallon bleach tank, and then we've got a 16 gallon soap or surfactant tank. You can kind of see these two little 1/4 inch hoses coming out the top. That's what we use to go over to the soap injector, and I'll show you on the other side once we get around there how we have a couple ball valves in there to kind of meter which soap goes to the injector. We'll move on down through here. We've got a 200 gallon water tank with a 1-inch tank drain coming off of there. For this application we've got the hose, and the nice thing about using the hose for the drain is that obviously there's a valve on there so you can shut it on and off, but you can direct your hose, the water, in different directions, and you can add extensions on there if you want it to be displaced further away from your trailer, or if you have a drain nearby that you want it to go directly into. We've got 3 of the 12-inch Titan reels. This one is holding 200 feet of the 3/8 hose. We have 200 feet of soft wash hose. The customer wanted the soft wash hose reel installed on here before he actually got the soft wash system on it. And then we've got 100 feet of the 3/4 inch hose. We'll move around back. From the gate, you can see the 24-inch surface cleaner. We'll be using a strap to secure that to the gate so it stands in the upright position and saves a little bit of room on your trailer. As far as the hoses that are going into this tank, we've got this hose here that's connected. This is the cool bypass system. So this, whenever you let off the trigger for your pressure washer, it cycles the water back to your tank. That keeps the pump nice and cool. It's not going to overheat anything, and keeps it all protected. We've got this 1-inch green hose that's going into the tank. That's coming from the incoming hose reel and filling the tank. And under the underside of that, we've got a float valve so that once your tank is full, it's shutting off the water supply, and then it immediately starts filling again once the water level depletes a little. We have a 6 gallon fuel tank, and then we've got the battery for the electric start on this, and our 3,500 at 8 pressure washer system with the GX690 engine and the big T-Series general pumps. Of course, like I said, these have electric start. They come with hour meters on them. We always put the elbow with the rain cap on there to keep everything as weatherproof as possible. And then if you get a little closer down here, you can see just how we have just kind of a real simple system for being able to meter 2 different soaps to go into your soap injection when you're applying it to the surface. So if you have any questions on this system, or you want to build something similar to it, please give us a call. Thanks.